Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will show you how to make a group chat in direct message on Instagram so you can share several posts or chat several friends at the same time. So first of all, go to your direct message and then click here and then choose your friends account, for example like this, and then create a group chat. But wait, I think I'm going to change the participant here. So you can click on the button here, and then if you want to search up a username, you can just type the username and then click create group chat. And after that, a group chat will be created, consist of the several friends that you select earlier. And here you can change the name of the group, for example like this, and then you will have the name of the group and you can chat here. And if you go back over here, there's the name of your group that you created earlier. So that's how you create a group in Instagram. So thank you guys for watching. If you find this helpful, remember to like and subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you in other tutorial videos from this channel. See you guys.